Hello, curious minds. Today, we're shaking things up from our usual dives into space science. So sit back, relax, and get ready as we explore 10 mind-blowing space facts that might just change the way you see, well, everything. Your body, this incredible machine of flesh and bone, is ultimately composed of the remnants of ancient stars. Stars that lived and died long before our planet even existed. Inside the fiery hearts of these stellar giants, lighter elements like hydrogen and helium were fused together, creating heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, the very building blocks of life. These elements were scattered across space through supernova explosions, seeding the universe with the ingredients for planets, for life, and for you. Imagine holding a sugar cube in your hand. Now imagine that this tiny cube weighs as much as 1 billion tons. That's how incredibly dense neutron stars are. These bizarre objects are the collapsed cores of massive stars that have exploded as supernovae. A neutron star is so dense that a single teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. That's heavier than Mount Everest. The crazy part? Neutron stars have a mass about 1.5 times that of our Sun, yet their size is typically only about 20 kilometers or 12 miles in diameter. The universe is unimaginably vast. It's a realm that stretches beyond our wildest imaginations, filled with wonders and mysteries. Let's start with Earth. It feels massive to us, but did you know that over 1 million Earths could fit inside our Sun? And the Sun itself is just one of around 100 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy. But here's where it gets really wild. The Milky Way is just one galaxy in a sea of galaxies. Scientists estimate there are over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe alone, and between them, vast stretches of seemingly empty space. And yet, the observable universe might not even be all there is. It's just the portion of the cosmos we can see, limited by the speed of light and the age of the universe. Beyond that, who knows? We're tiny, yes, but we're also incredibly lucky to be here, experiencing it all. You might think of space as a dry, barren wasteland, but there's a massive reservoir of water floating out there. Astronomers have discovered a gigantic cloud of water vapor, located some 12 billion light-years away, containing 140 trillion times the amount of water in all of Earth's oceans combined. This incredible discovery suggests that water, a key ingredient for life as we know it, is surprisingly abundant in the universe. Given the vastness of the universe and the sheer number of stars and planets out there, it seems statistically improbable that we are the only intelligent life in the cosmos. The universe is teeming with billions of galaxies, each containing millions or even billions of stars. This is the crux of the Fermi paradox. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, it questions why, given the high probability of extraterrestrial life, we haven't found any evidence of it. If life could arise here on Earth, why not on countless other planets orbiting other stars? There are potentially habitable exoplanets in the habitable zones of their stars. And if intelligent life does exist elsewhere, shouldn't we have encountered some sign of it by now? Be it through radio signals, spacecraft, or any other form of communication. The silence, however, is deafening. This profound silence raises more questions than answers. We've yet to find any concrete evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations, despite decades of searching the skies for radio signals and other signs of intelligent life. As eternal and unchanging as the universe may seem, it too is subject to the relentless march of time. The stars we see today won't shine forever, and the galaxies we admire are constantly moving and evolving. According to our current understanding of physics, the universe had a beginning, the Big Bang, and it will have an end. Some theories suggest a big crunch, where the universe eventually stops expanding and collapses in on itself. This would be a dramatic reversal of the expansion, leading to a cosmic implosion. Others propose a big freeze, where the universe continues to expand and cool until all matter is dispersed. In this scenario, galaxies drift apart, stars burn out, and the universe becomes a cold, dark void. While the ultimate fate of the universe remains uncertain, one thing is clear: our time within is precious and finite. Now, when we think about Earth's closest planetary neighbor, the obvious answer might be Venus. And you'd be right, at least most of the time. But here's the fascinating part. Earth's nearest planetary neighbor isn't always Venus. Depending on where Earth, Venus, and other planets are in their orbits, sometimes Mars and even Mercury can be closer to us than Venus. In overall, over an 8-year period, Earth's closest neighbor changes between Venus, Mars, and Mercury. When you look up at the night sky, you're not just seeing stars, you're seeing light that has traveled across vast distances of space and time to reach your eyes. Light from distant stars takes years, centuries, even millennia to reach us here on Earth. For example, the light from the Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest galactic neighbor, takes about 2.5 million years to reach Earth. So when we observe Andromeda through a telescope, we're seeing it as it was 2.5 million years ago. But here's where it gets interesting. If aliens had a super telescope 60 million light-years away, they would be seeing dinosaurs roaming Earth. And if they were 3 billion light-years away, they'd be seeing primitive life forms, likely too basic to be worth exploring. At 5 billion light-years away, they wouldn't see anything at all, because the solar system hadn't even formed yet. Crazy, right? Imagine receiving a strange, powerful burst of radio waves from deep space, lasting only a few milliseconds but containing more energy than our sun emits in an entire day. That's the enigmatic phenomenon of fast radio bursts, or FRBs. These cosmic chirps have puzzled astronomers since they were first discovered in 2007. Their origins remain a mystery, with theories ranging from collapsing neutron stars to the engines of distant alien spacecraft. While the true nature of FRBs is still unknown, their discovery has opened up a new window into the universe. What if our universe, vast and awe-inspiring as it is, isn't the only one? What if it's just one of countless universes, each with its own unique set of laws of physics? This mind-bending concept is known as the multiverse, the idea that our universe might be just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam of parallel universes. While the multiverse remains a theoretical concept, it's not entirely outside the realm of scientific possibility. And there you have it, 10 space facts that hopefully blew your mind and shifted your perspective. But now, we want to hear from you. Which of these facts amazed you the most? Or do you have your own favorite space fact that we didn't mention? Drop it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more space adventures, and ring the bell so you never miss our next journey into the cosmos. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.